Alright everybody, what's going on? So today we're going to be making this brand new Rimuru rug. Here it is. It's going to look like this. Here's the backing. So pretty much I already have one made for myself, but a customer ordered it, so let's get started. Here's Kai, if you guys want to say hi to him. He's just playing with this acorn. So this is my own personal one. This is not the actual finished product, so it doesn't actually have a logo or anything on there. It's just dirty. Alright, so let's get started. I got the design projected. I'm gonna grab the markers right now. We're about to get started. The design is complete. Here's how it looks. I'm gonna turn off the projector right now. Alright, next step is to tuft it, so I'm gonna set up the camera and let's get started. Alright guys, so I just finished tufting out the whole entire Rimuru rug. I'm about to just glue the backing in a time lapse, and then we're just going to move forward from there. Alright guys, so now that the design is done being glued, I'm just going to leave it to dry overnight. Let's see. Dry overnight, and then I'm going to put it in the sunlight tomorrow morning, so see you then. Alright everybody, welcome back. It's the next day, and I'm going to pull it down. So we're going to cut it out, and then we're going to put the backing on there and clean it up, so let's get started. Alright everybody, I just finished gluing the back. Now that it's done, we're just gonna take this, and then we're gonna take the backing right here. I have it right next to me. and then we're gonna go take it outside and spray it up. So let's do it. Alright guys, now that I got the backing on there, we're just going to trim it off, and then we're going to have it nice and clean around the edges. So I'm just going to use electric scissors for that. You can get those just on Amazon. It's in the description if you want to buy it. It does support me with no extra cost, of course. And then after I get that done, I'm going to start cleaning up all the little edges here. As you can see in this design, how clean it is, and this one it's not. So let's do that. So right here, I attach a squeegee attachment onto my vacuum because it removes a lot of the little tiny lint stuck inside the yarn. Next step will be to shave it down, so let's get started. The shaver that I'm using is going to be in the description with and without the shear guards, so if you guys want to purchase that too, it's in there. So let's get started. Alright guys, next step, clean it up with the scissors. In the description too, you know, you already know that. But let's clean up.
see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. I'd rather spoil all my friends with my riches. Think we've got therapy, mind no affection. Whoever said money can solve your problems must not have had enough money to solve them. They say which one I say, now I want all of them. Your demons sense the same price as their brothers. I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it. She thinks, just wait, I see it, I want it, I got it. My receipts gonna be like grown-ups. Everything money the wrong number. Black card is my business card, always be sending the phone call. I'm feeling brag, like this, in a bag. When you see the max, they start close, like my legs up.
Alright everybody, now that the rug is done, here's how it looks. I did all the details and everything. Here's the back side. How it looks for Halloween type of thing, you know? That's what they bought, so this is what I had to put on the back. It looks fantastic. Let's see. Alright guys, so this is the ending of the video. Me and Kai right here. We finished that rug. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and sub if you enjoyed. Hit that notification bell if you made it this far. Come on. Obviously, you like it, right? Whatever. Alright, peace out.